Good day, and welcome to X News Today. I'm Stephanie Anamu, bringing you the top story from Nigeria, where, in a landmark ruling that is set to reshape Nigeria's political landscape, the Federal High Court in Abuja has sentenced Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, to life imprisonment on all 7 counts of terrorism-related charges. The highly anticipated judgment, delivered by Justice James Omotosho, concluded a nearly decade-long legal saga that has been a flashpoint for ethnic tensions and secessionist calls in Nigeria's southeast. The sentencing was not without its characteristic drama, as Kanu was forcibly ejected from the courtroom for unruly behavior just minutes before the verdict was read. Justice Omotosho found Kanu guilty on charges including conspiracy to commit acts of terrorism, incitement to violence, and promoting a proscribed organization. The judge ruled that Kanu had used IPOB to incite deadly attacks against Nigerian security forces and civilians, directly linking his rhetoric to acts of terrorism. Kanu received concurrent life sentences on counts 1, 4, 5, and 6. Additional sentences of 20 years on count 3 and 5 years on count 7 will run concurrently with the life terms, effectively meaning he will serve life imprisonment. In his judgment, Justice Omotosho stated he was initially minded to sentence Kanu to death, given the gravity of the offenses, but chose life imprisonment to temper justice with mercy, acknowledging a global trend against capital punishment. The dramatic ejection unfolded as Kanu vehemently protested the court's jurisdiction and the perceived injustice of the proceedings. He reportedly shouted objections, demanded to be shown the law, and branded the court a kangaroo institution that would deliver rubbish judgment. Following repeated warnings, Justice Omotosho ordered security agents to remove him, and the judgment and sentencing were delivered in his absence. Beyond the prison term, the court issued stringent directives regarding Kanu's custody. He is to be held in a suitable and protective custody facility, specifically ruling out the Kuje Correctional Center where he has previously been detained. Furthermore, Justice Omotosho explicitly barred Kanu from accessing any digital devices unless under the strict, monitored supervision of the Office of the National Security Advisor (NSA). This measure aims to prevent any further incitement of violence or secessionist activities from detention. Kanu's legal team has indicated that they will vigorously appeal the judgment. The verdict is expected to elicit strong reactions from his supporters in the Southeast and human rights organizations, who have consistently called for his unconditional release and accused the government of political persecution. The ruling comes amidst ongoing security challenges in the Southeast, often linked to the activities of groups claiming allegiance to IPOB. Observers anticipate that the life sentence could either quell or intensify the region's long-simmering unrest. As Nigeria grapples with deep-seated ethnic and political divisions, this landmark conviction and sentence of Nnamdi Kanu marks a significant moment in the nation's history, with its reverberations likely to be felt for years to come. That's it for now on X News Today. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching.